lives and breathes community education. Cheryl has worked in community education for 25 years. She coordinates adult enrichment, Community Bridge, Meals on Wheels, and the Gladstone Senior Center. In all of those roles, Cheryl is pushing herself to be constantly learning, growing, and trying new things. She is constantly seeking new opportunities for people to engage in community education.
For me, it's important that I live here, and I'm accountable for that catalog that comes out and the quality of the classes and things, and it's my community, so I want the very best for them.
In her time, she has taken on many, many projects that fall outside of the scope of her primary role in standard workday. She drives at least one route for Meals on Wheels a week. She teaches classes or takes classes herself if a class needs more participants, because she wants people to experience great things. She has coordinated baking and craft activities to bring together the preschoolers and senior citizens who share the Gladstone building. She is currently partnering with Maplewood Parks and Rec to bring programming back to the Maplewood Nature Center after the pandemic.
I really go out and search for new instructors, and I make partnerships all around just to be able to bring a lot of variety to our district.
Bette Jayne Haak was a fierce advocate and prominent member of our community. She would take great joy in knowing that Cheryl is one of the first to receive the B.J. Haak Community Service Award because she was able to see Cheryl in action and knew how deeply Cheryl believes in community education.